Get back on track after a fun vacation. I know, mahirap. Kami nga, tagtulog pa rin kami. Parang sobrang na-drain kami nung vacation. Ngayon namin na-feel yung pagod. Tapos parang bigat ng katawan namin kasi ang dami namin kinain. Feeling ko nag-gain kami ng weight. Kailangan mo lang talaga i-push yung sarili mo. You have to push yourself to get up in the morning. Tapos you choose healthier food options. Just move around. Instead na sumakay, mag-walk. Diba? Kung malapit lang naman, lakarin mo na lang. Nakaka-burn ka pa ng calories.
I love going here kaso kalbo yung grass ngayon. The Salcedo Park is a compact urban park with a playground, shade trees, and a weekend food market.
And we're back to our normal lives.
Yeah.
Kailangan mag-exercise para malus ulit namin yung nag-gain naming pounds sa Taiwan.
Yep.
Masarap mag-running dito kasi may running walking path. Done?
Not yet.
What?
Di pa ako tapos.
Okay, hindi pa daw siya done sa workout niya for today. Okay. Because feeling ko, ang bigat-bigat ng katawan ko kasi sobrang dami namin pinagkakain sa Taiwan. Ang sarap ng mga food doon, hindi mapigilan or hindi talaga kami nagpigil kasi syempre, you're in another country. Gusto mong matikman lahat ng masasarap na food doon. Diba? Enjoy lang. It's a vacation anyway.
There are a lot of coffee shops and restaurants in the area. That's why I love going here.
Ang only struggle ko lang now, kung bakit madalas kong hindi nahihit yung 10K steps a day ko. Sobrang init. Grabe. Draining talaga yung init. Kaya better talaga kung makaka-wake up kayo early. Pero hindi namin kaya as of now kasi nga sobrang napagod kami doon sa vacation. Pero tomorrow siguro I'll try na mag-alarm and wake up earlier para makapag-exercise ng hindi pa ganito kainit. Pinawisan na ako agad. It's 11:33 a.m. Mainit na. Nako, 1.5 steps lang ako. OMG. Bilisan ko lang ng konti. Natuwa si Leah, may mga exercise machines na rin sila dito. This one. And this one. Yeah. Ganda. Ooh, mas mahirap to ah. Sige. Goodbye, flabby arms. Ano ba ito? Pwede rin bang push up dito? Playground in here. Kaya dito kung saan pwede mag-play ang pets. It's a dog park. Nagja-jogging si Kuya. Yan. Health buff yan eh. Yan, that's Tim Hortons. Katapat lang ng Salcedo Park.
I love Tim Hortons, especially the Salcedo branch. Cozy dito, ang tahimik. Huwag ka lang pupunta ng rush hour, especially during lunch break. We love going here whenever we go to Salcedo Park.
Ordered frozen hot chocolate. And mine is my favorite double vanilla. Ito yung favorite ko dito sa Tim Hortons. Frozen hot chocolate. Do you like it? Is it too sweet? Talaga? Is it alright? Good? How would you rate it? Wow! Horton girls! Ayan. Kami mag-exercise kami ni Kuya Liam sa park. Itong ayaw niya mag-exercise, mainit. Tambay daw muna siya dito sa Tim Hortons.
After our exercise at Salcedo Park, we went to Glorieta. And when the kids saw Marugami Udon, dito na sila nag-aya mag-lunch. They super love here. Kahit madalas kami kumakain dito, hindi sila nagsasawa. Agree naman ako kasi masarap talaga ang food sa Marugami Udon. For me, sakto lang yung price niya. Not too cheap, not too expensive din. At kapag dito ka kumain, grabe, heavy meal. Sobrang busog ka talaga after. Ito yung number 1, constant order ni Daddy and Lana, yung udon na may beef. Dahil sobrang gutom ni Daddy, he decided to get onigiri. Si Kuya Liam naman, katsudon lover. Nako, birang-bihira yun mag-change ng order niya. Laging katsudon.
Yan, kuha ng condiment si Daddy. Yan, favorite niya yan. Togara. Yan, sesame. Yan, favorite niya yan. Tsaka, lots of green onions. Tsaka yun, yung parang tempura flakes. Ako, favorite ko talaga dito is the curry. Beef curry. Now, I decided to change my order to the letter K. This is the beef with egg. So hungry. Meron pang tuna, onigiri.
Like chicken.
Condiments nila. Nako, binubuwas nila yan sa soup. Super hungry. Super hungry. Togarashi. Oh, yan. Yan yung nilalagay namin parati. Hindi pwedeng wala nito. Togarashi.
After Marugame, we went to McDonald's for dessert. The kids tried the matcha Oreo McFlurry. Masarap daw siya. I tried it. Very little lang yung matcha flavor. But masarap naman siya overall. I guess perfect to sa mga kids na gusto ng hint of matcha pero ayaw naman nila yung super grassy flavor. Si Daddy, instead na mag-ice cream, mag-ice coffee na lang daw siya. Ako naman, ang favorite ko dito is the hot fudge. That's it, guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more travel and food videos. Bye!